Hey there, teachers. Some of you have had a difficult time to finding your MyQ print, or it's just not showing up in your print features. So we're going to do a short video on how to force that onto your laptop. If you will come down here to the search windows, and we want to type in CMD to get the command prompt. From here, you will type in GP update space and then / force. And go ahead and press enter. It's going to update your policies. It'll take a few seconds to go through. Once it's gone through, you'll see the message on your screen, Computer Policies Update has completed successfully. So once this is done, it has forced out those different policies. So if you open up a document, for example, I have a Word document, I'm already in the print, and notice here's my default, I'm not connected directly to a printer, but you will see MyQ print is listed here now. So let me know if you have any issues, if this video doesn't help. Have a great day.